Alright, so it's 8:14 on May 21st. So I literally just woke up at like 8:05 and I'm still wearing the clothes that I wore when I drove here because I literally just crashed in them. And I'm going to head to McDonald's and get my stepdad and his dog and I some breakfast. I literally just wanted to come get my laptop and put clips from yesterday onto my YouTube channel and start editing yesterday's video, but I'm gonna eat first because I'm really hungry, and then probably like edit as much as I can and then take a nap or something. I don't know what time my mom is showing up, so that is the plan. So I just got done eating breakfast and I'm about to go edit my video. I slept on this cot, comfy, but then when you like wake up, your back's like, oh my god. And I don't even remember the last time I've been up. I got up before my stepdad, so this is a weird day. I'm a third shifter, so like this whole getting up early at like 8, it may not be early for people, but I'm normally like about to get out of work at that time, you know, so yeah. Just thought I'd let you know I'm just gonna go edit videos. I don't know when my mom's supposed to get here, but I'm gonna start editing yesterday's video, and then depending on what time my mom gets here, start getting around and whatnot, but that is the plan. Oh, and this thing is freaking awesome. Maybe this will fix my back. And my stepdad's in the middle of like moving out of here, so that's why it looks kind of empty. It's 10:40 and my mom just got here, and I got most of the editing done already for day one. Let's get her. Haha. What are you doing? Thank you. Ooh, I want to fry. I'm editing a YouTube video. She didn't get me anything to eat, guys. I'm gonna probably go get some food. So my stepdad took a picture of me editing this video. That's so funny. Look at the little doggy. 10:55. I do have about 19 minutes done of editing the video. I am glad that I got that done. My mom's here though, and like we're gonna like be leaving soon, and she's probably gonna yell at me for taking a shower now, but I need to go nonchalantly sneak out the front door and grab my shower stuff and then take a shower. This is what my hair would look like if I did not brush it after blow drying it. It gives it kind of some body and makes it look a little crazy, don't it? So this is what I'm wearing today. Blue sparkly shirt. And some pink capris because why not? Not really sure like what we're doing today, but I don't really care because it's my first day of vacation. Pretty sure we're gonna be leaving here soon. My mom went to drop off her car, and yeah. I kind of like how it gives my hair some body, but at the same time it looks like really messy. Looks more like cola like this. I really hope I get some coffee here soon because I am starting to feel tired. Like, this is not my normal sleep schedule at all. Every time I come to my stepdad's, I can always rely that there's going to be Lunchables. It's 1:47 and we are stopped at a rest stop. My mom had to use the restroom already. Didn't take too long. It was actually 20 minutes into the drive and she was like, I have to go to the bathroom. Going left. Going on nature trail. It's so pretty. Oh, it's a bridge. Oh my god, it's a bridge. Oh my god. I don't have my glasses on, so it took me a minute to be able to see that. This is my mom, and she's very mean. Oh, you got a puddle, Mom. Don't ruin your new shoes.
Oh, whatever.
There we go. Little kids driving it. The little kids driving it. Look how pretty it is.
That's what we were doing.
Rich traffic.
Oh yeah. I want to be on one right now.
Log us off with it. Good job.
They already noticed the chip.
Yeah, that's why it's going on. Now, if I could just get you guys to come do this with me, my life would be perfect.
I would do it.
This is my favorite pastime.
Well, we could do it, but here it comes. Oh yeah, they came up around.
They so planned that.
I know. They're good. Like,
Oh, yeah.
Let's go up and around.
Oh yeah.
Look how pretty it is.
What?
Mom, are you really walking with a walking stick?
Yeah, Cola, you never know. Yeah, take a picture of them. Oh, it's a pine tree.
Yeah, it's a pine tree.
Holy cow.
That's huge.
I honestly didn't. Oh, look at the army worms.
Yeah, it's in the little tree next to it.
Did you see that, Cola? The army worms. Those are army worms.
Yep, thanks, Mom.
Well,
Thank you,
off
Mother.
to the roast gods.
Cola, if you don't turn that off, I'm gonna hit you in
Gonna
your
what?
knee, and you're gonna limp the rest
What are
of
we
the
gonna
day.
do?
Cola, stop. Stop.
She's such a worry wart. That was my hair. You
I
made
know,
me pull
right?
my hair, woman. She's so mean. Getting eaten alive by mosquitoes.
What do you think I'm doing? The same thing she's doing, but the opposite way.
Oh my God. We can make like a horror movie.
And she's coming again.
This is Cola and her violent mother.
Hey, Cola. Since you've been taping, do you know how to get out of the woods?
Sure do, back that way.
Yeah.
No,
I bet you don't.
I do. I do.
Yeah.
And if I don't remember, guess what? I
Look,
can
there's
play
even
this
a
and rewind
cooker.
it.
Hey,
Oh, look, a cooker.
he's over here on the other side of the bridge.
Come on.
Which way am I going, right? Left?
Oh, that way.
So, Mom, you don't even remember how to get there? Can I hear that? I got it. I got it.
I didn't hear anything.
She doesn't remember where the penny bridge is. That's
Hold
sad.
on.
So
Stop.
sad. Stop in the name of love. Okay, I'm done. Penny Bridge. She's taking a picture.
So is this it?
Nope. Slow it down.
They take forever. So many mosquitoes.
What, are you gonna put them on?
Oh, bug spray. Gotta put the bug spray on. Just checking chicken. So this is our bridge. It's named after us. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. The creek over here.
The pan for gold. For silver.
Where's Trey? We're not even waiting for him? We should probably wait for him.
Keep on moving. Don't get cold.
She's not waiting. I hear people over there. It's so pretty. How long has it been since we've been on here? Like,
Wow, but look at that. Isn't that pretty?
yeah, it is. So,
How did he go?
I have no clue.
Did you get anything, or are you just screwing around? Well, apparently he is too. I can't find him. How many times do you guys come down here?
This is the first time I've been down.
You've never been down here? Are you even from around here?
I wish it wasn't so muddy.
Wow, look at
That he is. Ta-da! Those are the fishermen my mom was talking to.
Snowmobile across it before.
pretty cool, ain't it?
Yep, this is definitely the spot. If we fall, I definitely want that on tape.
I don't know if I can do it.
Come on, Mom. Go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Yeah.
Go.
You do it.
Sturdy enough? Question is, do I have a band? Let me see your hand. Did it! Come on, now your turn. Come on, Mom.
I don't know if I can do it with this.
You can do it, I believe in you. There's so many.
I don't know if I got it. I can't.
You can.
I can't do it. Oh, you got it? Then how the fuck we gonna get back? Yeah, that's nice. Don't let go of me, Trey.
Well, I can't reach any
Swear
further.
to God, hang on.
I can't reach any further.
Come on.
Shit. Wait, just
Jump. Yeah, chicken shit. Da-na-na-na.
we are. All right, man. Okay, turn it off. That's neat.
Okay.
Are you gonna help?
That's neat.
Oh, you want me to help?
Yeah, would be nice.
Uh-oh.
Just hang on. Okay.
It was easier to get there than it was to get back.
Two
That's
steps.
for sure. Yeah, well... Nope, now he's gonna do it.
No, I'm too scared. I can't
Nope,
do it.
do it.
No, I'm too scared. I can't do it.
Do it! Do it.
It's probably terrible.
I know. Bam. What are you doing over there?
A whole lot of something.
That you wouldn't do over here?
I got to my second one.
This one's kind of cool because then you can hold on to this little thing and step over. Yep.
It's absolutely beautiful.
So beautiful.
Look at it.
Had the railing just like Coffin Corners, but it didn't look as high.
That's so
It was on
pretty.
the wrong side of the road, but I know some great
Oh,
fellas
we
there.
are on the Penny Bridge.
My buddy Charlie owns
You are, I'm not.
a party
We're both on the
store
Penny
and
Bridge. What are you talking
bar and
about?
restaurant. in
Okay, let's do a
Uganda.
selfie.
And do you see all the skaters?
No,
And
music.
there's
So
Nikki.
many.
Literally.
Okay. Okay, ready? Snapchat selfie.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Okay, do a silly one.
Is
That one-
Katie
that
in
one
the
wasn't
background? That's what I thought. I wasn't sure. So I said hi.
I'm not dressed for the woods.
Ah. Yeah.
Mom, let's head this way.
Cute. We gotta go to Mansalona now.
Yeah, you have to go get that. Water's back in that room.
Yep. Okay, see you guys. It's okay, I said bye.
Get off your phone.
Yeah.
This is my house!
It is a beautiful area though. This is like my favorite. I don't want to take a picture of me standing on that rock.
No, I've been telling you about this one. Look.
Yeah, I know you have.
But look.
So there's
Just
those
look
people
straight
by it.
down. I just went, and there's a road right next to it. There's a road, a quad road that goes all the way down,
Yeah, it's right out there by the edge of the driveway.
and then put steps going all the way down there.
Ready to go down?
Isn't it fucking phenomenal? Tell me that shitty. Isn't it badass? Watch sunsets and sunrise.
Sure is.
Some of the pictures I take of you when I come up here are right standing right here.
Kind of, that was a fail.
I know, right?
Okay, hold on to this. I want to stand on that rock and make it look like I'm on top of the world.
Stand it right.
But you gotta like actually come. Ooh, what do you think? That?
Woodchuck.
What do you think? Woodchuck? Woodchuck? How much wood for woodchuck get the woodchuck?
Woodchuck would chuck a lot of what a woodchuck could chuck wood.
Alright, Cole, just get up on the rock. Come on. But this is the property that would be the bomb diggity. But what happened was... Woohoo!
It's so windy.
Right?
Oh wait, yeah, let me take a picture. Alright, well, yeah. There you go, Cola.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. No, on the road.